Okay, good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss about your a new branch, that is your mechatronics engineering branch. Generally, mechatronics. Have you heard the word mechatronics? If you think what is mechatronics, that also a doubt. But mechatronics is branch is a combination of mechanical and electronics. All of you know about what is mechanical and what is electronics. Okay, today's class I am going to briefly discuss about what is mechatronics engineering and what are the parts, what are the component parts, what are the outlines, what are the benefits, what are the disadvantages, what are the application area. Today I am going to explain about you in your class. Then come to the outlines. These are the outlines of your mechatronics engineering. First of all, introduction to mechatronics engineering. In introduction to mechatronics engineering, I am going to discuss about some parts of your mechatronics component system, a history about the mechatronics system. Okay, then components of mechatronics system. Components of mechatronics system in set of that is a complete set of your mechatronics system. Then its advantages and disadvantages. What are the advantages? We are going to apply that in your field. What are the disadvantages? Then what are the applications of mechatronics area? That means in which area we are using the mechatronics systems. Clear? Then, as I have already told that mechatronics is the combination of mechanical and electronics. Okay, then these are the technologies. As I already said, only mechatronics is the combination of mechanical and electronics, but there are lots of technologies also involved in mechatronics engineering, like your mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer engineering, then your control engineering. That means, for simply you can say, if you are going to study about your mechatronics engineering, that means you can have knowledge about all the technology engineering, like your mechanical, electrical, control, and your computer engineering. Then if I am telling about the history of your mechatronics engineering, that means you have said where is the where the mechatronics is discovered, by whom the mechatronics branch is discovered. Okay, so the term mechatronics was discovered by a Japanese engineering in 1969, and that name is your Tesoro Mori. Okay, and which is discovered in Japan in 1969. Okay, and but nowadays it's discovered. It was firstly discovered in 1969, but nowadays it's globally spread and in every system nowadays. Then simply I'm going to telling about the definition of mechatronics. Mechatronics may be defined as the synergetic combination of precision mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, control engineering system, thinking in the design of manufacturing and product process. Here I am going to discuss about what is synergetic. Synergetic means the combination of mechanical, electronics, and electrical. If you are using three technology at a time in manufacturing system, that means you get more product and more accuracy as compared to your individual branches. Okay, uh, then what are the scope of mechatronics engineering? Scope means that means in which if you are using a mechatronic system in your manufacturing sector, what are the benefits or what are the scope? First, better design of products. Clear? Then better process planning, reliable and quality oriented manufacturing, then intelligence process and production control, then manufacturing of complex parts. That means if you are manufacturing a very contour or complex which is not possible in a manual machine, in that case you are using mechatronic system, and that part will easily manufacture. Okay, then and that part, what part you are going to be manufacturing by using mechatronic system, that part is your more accuracy and precision job. Clear? Then these are this figure indicates your components of mechatronic system. Okay, so first, sensor. If you are attaching the sensor in a mechanical system, then it senses some parts or work, then it send to the signal to the signal conditioning monitor, then signal conditioning monitor is sent to the that parts to the analog to digital, then analog to whenever it converts to analog to digital, that parts is also sent through the controller. Controller means by which we can control the machine, that may be PC, that may be MCU, or that may be any user interference device. Okay, after that these things are converted into digital to analog, then these things are going to send to the driver circuit, then actuator, then again mechanical system. Suppose this is a cyclic process, and this is a complete cyclic process which is generally used in automation, automatic machines. Like suppose I am going to talk about the CNC machine. In a CNC machine we are going to we are going to produce many products at a time, and in that case time we require less time. Okay, how we get required less time? For that we need a mechatronics system. Clear? Then what are the components generally used for mechatronic system? Like as I am said, suppose you have a CNC machine, in that there are many parts. Similarly, for a mechatronic system we have actuators, sensors, then input signal conditioning and interfacing, digital control architecture, condition and interfacing, then graphical displays. Clear? Then what are the, as I have already said in your first slide, advantages of mechatronics. That means if you are using a mechatronic system, what are the benefits we are getting? Clear? The benefits are the product produced are cost effective and very good quality. That means which quality we are going we have already manufactured, that product is very cost effective and its quality is very good. Clear? Then high degree of flexibility. Clear? Then greater extension of machine utilization. Then due to integration of sensors and control system in a complex system, capital expenses are reduced. Then greater productivity, that means high productivity rate or mass production. These are the advantages you are getting if you are using a mechatronic system in a automatic machine. Clear? Then come to the disadvantages. If your system if you are using a manufacturing system or a mechatronic system, if you have some advantages, also disadvantages, because these are the digital devices. Similarly, high initial cost of the system. Those system you are using for mechatronics, that cost are very high. Clear? Then as compared to initial cost, maintenance, similarly maintenance cost is also high. Clear? It's expensive to incorporate mechatronics approaches to an existing or old system. Okay, that means if you are using a old system, that maintenance cost is very high. Specific problems for various system will have to be addressed separately and properly. That means separate part we are using. If you are getting any fault in that, you have to address separately. Clear? Then in which area we are using mechatronic system? Clear? Just like I am said, in CNC we are using mechatronic system, in robotics we are using mechatronic system, because these are the cycling or automatic process. Clear? Then fax and photocopier machine. Fax, all of you know, photocopier, your Xerox machines we are using. Then your dishwasher. Clear? Then air conditioners and elevator controls. Air condition, that means in general life, in daily life we are using AC. In that also we have mechatronic system. elevator controls, then automatic washing machine, flexible manufacturing system, and document scanner. Clear? Then application of mechatronics. Application means in which area we are using the application. Then VCRS and CD players. VCRS, all of you know. CD players also, all of you know. Then integrated circuit manufacturing system, robotics, CNC machine. Nowadays there are various automation machines are available, like your CNC machines, your EDM machines, your ECM machines, and there, and also robotics. Robotics are the 6 axis robot, SRS robots. In that robotic system, we are also using your mechatronics part. Remember one thing, whatever nowadays you are using digitally, that uh, depends upon, or that works on a mechatronic system, because mechatronic system is a combination. Mechatronic system or mechatronics engineering is a combination of mechanical and electronics engineering. This is all about the today's class. uh, Thank you.